Welcome to your eco-friendly transformation. Here are 5 simple, exciting, and downright fun steps you can start right now to protect our beautiful blue planet. Get ready to become the superhero Mother Nature didn't know she needed. Step 1. Break up with plastic. Let's kick off our planet-saving journey with a difficult but necessary breakup. Yes, we're talking about plastic, the Earth's pesky ex that just won't go away. It's time to say, it's not me, it's you. Swap plastic bags for reusable totes, choose glass or metal containers over plastic ones, and tell straws that you're just too cool for them. Remember, breaking up is hard to do, but you'll both be better for it. Step 2. Embrace your green thumb. Next up, let's get dirty with gardening. Start by planting a tree, flowers, or even a full-scale vegetable garden. Not only will this make Mother Nature give you a thumbs up, but you might also end up with some fresh tomatoes for your salad. Win-win. No backyard? No problem. Even a small indoor herb garden can have a positive impact on the environment by reducing the need for transportation and packaging of store-bought herbs. Step 3. Become a power-saving superhero. No need for a cape or fancy tights, your superpower here is saving energy. Turn off lights when you leave the room, unplug devices when they're not in use, and resist the urge to crank up the heat or AC at the first sign of discomfort. You'll be surprised how much you can save both in CO2 emissions and on your energy bill. It's like being your own, self-financed superhero. You're not just saving the world, you're also saving some cash. Step 4. Go on a low-carbon diet. Just like that fad diet everyone's talking about, but way cooler. This step involves eating locally sourced, organic, and plant-based foods when possible. Not saying you should go full vegan, unless you want to, then go you, but maybe try meatless Mondays. The cows will thank you and so will your waistline. And hey, you might even discover your new favorite dish. Step 5. Be a chatterbox. Last but not least, talk about it. Share your new eco-friendly habits with your friends, family, and social media followers. Heck, even tell your dog about it, he's a great listener. You'll inspire others to join in and make an even bigger impact. Just remember to not be too preachy, or you might only have your eco-friendly soap to talk to. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to protect the environment that are as easy as pie, locally sourced, organic pie, of course. So, get out there, have fun, and give Mother Nature a helping hand.